Yes.
Sorry.
I am live.
I gotta grab water.
I think I'm live. Let me find it. There I am. Hello, I got one person on here. Two people. Hi. When you come into the video, hi, Melinda. Hello, I got one person. Oh my God, I can still hear this stinking thing. I'm trying to get everything set up right, y'all. Okay, I'm Vicki with GNR Design. I'm trying to get my phone where I can see comments. There we go. Hi. When you come into the video, if you would leave me a comment, say hi, tell me where you're from. If I don't see a comment, I can't tell who's watching me. I'm a little bit late, but when you're getting ready to do something like this, you get a phone call. Anyway, the purpose of my video tonight is to show you how you can use a boxwood wreath for all seasons. So if you guys can't see me or hear me or anything like that, let me know and I'll try to adjust the camera. Again, my name is Vicki. My business name is GNR Design. And in case you don't know, I make wreaths and different floral arrangements, seasonal items. And the purpose, like I said, of the video is to show you how you can use a boxwood wreath for all seasons. So this is a boxwood wreath that I just made. It's an order that I got through Etsy. It's total all greenery. So, you've got all different shades of the boxwood in here. And a lot of people use these just as a greenery wreath for all year long. But I wanted to show you how you can use a wreath like this, whether you order it like online through Etsy or through me or wherever, or you buy one at Michael's or I think Hobby Lobby, lots of places sell them. Now those are not made on, mine are made on a grapevine base. So, it's gonna hold up a lot longer than some of the wreaths you find at some of the stores like Hobby Lobby that are on like the angel hair, the plasticky base, those. Not that I'm badding anybody, but they probably will not hold up like a grapevine base. But you can take a regular boxwood wreath like this and you can repurpose those for any season just by adding different bows and picks. So that's what I wanted to show you. I've got a few picks, and this is just going to be a quick video. I'm not putting anything in permanently, just sticking them in so you can see kind of the changes. But I've got things for fall, for a patriotic, and like for a Christmas, so you could see how things could change really easily just by adding a few different ribbons or picks depending on your season. So this is I don't know for sure who I've got on here, Melinda, and I'm not sure who else is on here, but welcome. This is
Judy Haggard.
Fall, this is just it's called a funky bow. Fall bow. It's got the truck ribbon and the different seasonal colors. So you can take this bow and you can position your bow wherever you want, different places. For the purposes of this, because it's going to be quick, I'm going to have to turn the wreath a little bit, but I'm going to add it to the top just because it's an easy spot for me to put it on. And like I said, I'm not putting anything on permanently, just sticking them on here so you can kind of get the idea. But I just really like this wreath, or these types of wreaths, because they're so versatile. So let me get this added in here. And again, I'm not putting it on permanent, so it may not be 100% straight. I'm trying not to mess up my greenery because I've got to ship this out tomorrow. You want your comments for me, honey?
Mm-hmm.
All three people. Okay, so you could add just the seasonal bow, and you get a new look. But then if you want to take it a step farther and throw in a few picks, these are just a grassy, kind of a beaded fall. They look like fall to me, I guess. Pick that you could just add in different places. And now if it was your wreath, you might want to, add some glue. I'm not for this video because it's just a temporary, just to show you.
Joanne Ramirez came on.
Hi, Joanne. Just to show you the different effects you could get. And of course, I'm going to get picky with it. I'm trying to do this quickly so you kind of get the idea. But I mean, the possibilities are limitless with a wreath like this, because you've got the greenery base. Just throw in some different picks and change it up for each season.
Joanne says beautiful bows.
Thank you. So can you tell? You can see, and that's not probably the ones that I would choose, but it does give it a fall look. So now watch. You pull these out. Okay, Thanksgiving's over, fall, you're moving into the Christmas season, and you want to change your wreath for Christmas, the holidays. Pull this one off. Of course, it's stuck in the grapevine. Dang it. Yeah, I sell all these bows in my Etsy store, so I don't know how many of you that's on here are wreath makers. If you would, share the video for me. It helps my reach on Facebook, which, as long as you keep Facebook happy, it helps your business. So now we're going to kind of change it for Christmas. You could use this, just the buffalo plaid simple bow, or you could use a something a little bit bigger. For the purposes of this, I'm just going to use this and show you how much different this wreath looks when you add a few picks and a bow for Christmas. And again, I'm not putting this on here permanent. I'm just kind of wrapping it through the greenery so you get the idea. Because this one is already for a customer, and it's going to ship out tomorrow. Lost my wire. So you could add just the bow. A lot of people like it just like that, just with a bow for Christmas. But if you add just a few berry picks, you have a completely different look. And I'm not putting these in permanent. Maybe I'm not putting them in at all, I don't know. But you get the idea how easily you can change these for each season. So I'm stopping there. Anyway, so now you've got a completely new look for a Christmas wreath. Now, if you were, going to put this outside, you'd want to use a little bit of glue, but the picks would still pull back out. And then,
Debbie Beaky says hi.
Hi, Debbie. So you want to take this off after the holidays. And you're reaching the season that we are currently about in. And you add a patriotic bow. So you could go with just the bow. I just think these kind of wreaths are really versatile. If you guys are wreath makers and you don't do some kind of greenery wreath, I think it's a really good idea, and they're really popular. And then so you add a few patriotic picks, stars, whatever. And you have a whole new look. So now you've got it ready for Memorial Day, the 4th of July. Completely new look. So what do you think? You like the versatility of the Boxwoods? Do I have anybody on here? 8 people. Hi, everyone. So like I said, the purpose of this video was just to show you how you can take a simple greenery wreath. In my case, I'm using a boxwood because that's what I made, and change it for each season, add a different bow, add a few picks, and boom, you've got a whole new wreath. And that's all I have for you for tonight. Was there any questions? I'm not seeing a whole lot of comments, but anyway, if you come in after the video and you're watching the replay, I'll come back in if there is any questions and answer them for you. My boxwoods are made, like I said, on a grapevine wreath, which holds up a little bit longer. The purpose of the video was not to promote my wreaths, but to show you the versatility of this type of wreath. So if there's no questions, I'm going to say good night, and thanks for watching.